1. Doctors finally reveal the easiest way to remove toxins from your body. Did you know that every day you're exposed to over 700,000 toxic chemicals, many of which are silently sabotaging your energy, sleep, and even your immune system? And the worst part? Most people have no idea that their body is being overwhelmed until it's too late. But here's the good news. Doctors have finally revealed one of the simplest, most natural, and most powerful ways to help your body flush out these hidden threats. And it's not an expensive detox juice, a trendy cleanse, or a complicated routine. In today's video, you're going to discover exactly how your body removes toxins, why your gut plays a much bigger role than you think, and the doctor-approved method to help you feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized starting today. So stay with me to the end, because I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step protocol that's changing lives around the world. If you care about your health, your longevity, and your family's well-being, like this video, subscribe and share it with someone who might be unknowingly suffering from toxic overload. And now, let's get to the root of the problem. When people think about detox, they often imagine their liver or kidneys doing all the work. But the truth is, your gut is the unsung hero in the detoxification process. In fact, recent medical research has confirmed that your gut is responsible for managing and eliminating a massive amount of toxins, sometimes more than your liver. Let's break this down simply. Every day, your gut is exposed to toxins through the food you eat, the water you drink, and even the air you breathe. Pesticides, additives, plastics, pollutants, they all enter your digestive system. Your intestines are lined with a delicate barrier designed to block harmful substances. But if that barrier becomes inflamed or leaky, toxins can escape into your bloodstream, triggering fatigue, brain fog, skin problems, and even chronic disease. This is why many doctors now refer to the gut as the second liver. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Your gut bacteria, or microbiome, also plays a major role in detox. Certain bacteria actually help neutralize harmful substances and escort them out through your stool. But if your microbiome is imbalanced due to antibiotics, poor diet, or stress, those toxins can linger and recirculate in your body, causing even more harm. So, if your gut isn't working properly, your entire detox system gets backed up, like a sink clogged with sludge. And this is exactly why detox isn't about fancy drinks or extreme diets. It's about supporting your gut naturally and consistently. In the next section, I'll show you exactly what to eat to help your body detox more efficiently, including one group of powerful nutrients that most people are severely lacking. But first, let me know in the comments. Have you ever felt bloated, fatigued, or foggy after eating certain foods? That might be your gut asking for help. Now that you know your gut is the key player in detox, the next step is simple. Feed it what it needs to thrive. And no, I'm not talking about expensive supplements or miracle teas. I'm talking about real, science-backed nutrients that support your body's natural detox system every single day. Let's start with one of the most underrated players, fiber. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive system. It sweeps up toxins, excess hormones, and waste, helping your body eliminate them through the stool. Without enough fiber, those toxins get reabsorbed, and that's where problems begin. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day, mainly from foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, lentils, berries, broccoli, and oats. Next up, bile acid binders, also known as bile sequestrants. Here's the deal. Your liver filters out toxins and packages them into bile, which is then released into your intestines. But if you don't have enough of the right binding agents in your diet, those toxins can be reabsorbed back into your bloodstream. Certain foods act as natural bile binders, like activated charcoal, chlorella, and psyllium husk. These substances trap toxins in the gut and escort them out safely. Another powerful tool, polyphenols. Polyphenols are antioxidant-rich compounds found in plants, and they're absolute detox superheroes. Not only do they reduce inflammation, but they also feed the good bacteria in your gut and improve your microbiome's ability to break down and eliminate toxins. Great sources of polyphenols include green tea, turmeric, dark chocolate, yes, berries, olives, and extra virgin olive oil. Also worth mentioning, sulfur-rich foods like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These help the liver activate its detox enzymes and flush out harmful substances more effectively. And don't forget hydration. Water is your body's transport system. Without it, nothing moves. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 to 10 cups of clean, filtered water per day to keep the detox pathways flowing. In the next section, I'll walk you through the exact daily routine approved by doctors and supported by science that can help you reset your body and feel more energized, focused, and light. But first, drop a comment. What's one detox-friendly food you already eat regularly? Let's build a list together in the comments below. Now that you know what toxins are doing to your body and what nutrients can fight back, it's time to put it all together into a simple daily protocol that doctors are now recommending for better detoxification, digestion, and long-term health. This is not a cleanse. This is not a diet. It's a daily rhythm that works with your body, not against it. Here's how it works, step by step. Morning detox reset. Start your day with a large glass of warm water and lemon. This simple step hydrates your system and supports your liver and digestion. Add a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes. Then have a fiber-rich breakfast, chia pudding, oatmeal with flaxseed, or a green smoothie with spinach, banana, and psyllium husk. This helps move toxins out of your gut and gives your microbiome something to feed on. Midday nutrient boost. Lunch should include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower, a lean protein like wild salmon or lentils, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for those detox-boosting polyphenols. Sip on green tea or dandelion root tea, both support the liver and kidneys. If you snack, choose nuts, berries, or a piece of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. These are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Evening elimination support. Dinner should be light and include a fermented food like sauerkraut or kimchi. These boost your microbiome and digestion. Add in garlic, onions, or leeks to stimulate natural detox enzymes. And before bed, another glass of water, or even better, a detox tea with ingredients like milk thistle, ginger, or turmeric to support your liver overnight. Daily non-negotiables. Drink at least 2 liters of water per day. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. This is when your brain detoxifies itself. Move your body daily. Even just a 30-minute walk helps your lymphatic system flush out waste. Doctors say that when people follow this routine, even just 5 days a week, they report better digestion, clearer skin, improved focus, and deeper sleep. And the best part? It's sustainable. No expensive pills, no starving, just natural support that works with your biology. Stick around, because in the final section, I'll give you a quick summary and some extra tips to make this protocol part of your lifestyle, or good. But before that, tell me in the comments, what's one habit you're going to start today to help your body detox naturally? If you've made it this far, congratulations, you now know the truth about detoxification. It's not about miracle powders or harsh cleanses. It's about giving your body the tools it already needs to do the job it was designed for. Let's quickly recap. Your gut is your body's detox command center, and keeping it healthy is priority number 1. Fiber, polyphenols, bile acid binders, and hydration are the real heroes of daily detox. And with a simple daily rhythm, hydration, nutrient-rich meals, fermented foods, quality sleep, You can support your body's natural detox system every single day. But here's the key: consistency. Even small steps, repeated daily, can lead to massive long-term results: more energy, better digestion, clearer thinking, and even a stronger immune system. So here are 3 things you can start today. 1. Add fiber to your breakfast. Chia seeds or flaxseed in your oatmeal or smoothie. 2. Drink more water. Carry a reusable bottle with you and sip all day. 3. Eat 1 detox-friendly food at every meal: broccoli, berries, garlic, or fermented veggies. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest toxin you're going to eliminate from your life starting today? Drop it in the comments. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more health strategies backed by science, and share it with someone you care about, because we all deserve to live lighter, cleaner, and healthier lives. Until next time, take care of your body so it can take care of you.